There are several reasons why you will want to pack a carry-on only for a European adventure, and I am going to show you how. And outfits that you can mix and match for 10 days. So I'm going to start with 3 basic t-shirts, a pajama, and then I have 3 pairs of jeans. So 1 light wash, 1 darker wash, a pair of dress pants, and another pair of black jeans. I have 1 dress and 1 romper. I also have 1, 2, 3 long sleeve t-shirts, 1, 2 sweaters, actually make that 3 sweaters, again in neutral patterns, 1 long sleeve shirt, and 3 cardigans, which I can mix and match. I also have this bag that I'm gonna use when I'm in Paris, or on my trip rather, and in it I can throw an umbrella, a bottle of water, and a variety of other things, obviously not valuable things that I'm gonna bring with me. Then I have a pair of bulky shoes that are super comfortable that I'm gonna put in this bag so that they don't dirty my clothes. In this pouch, I have 10 pairs of underwear, 10 socks, as well as 3 bras. And I have it in a separate pouch just so it stays all together, and I might need it for my laundry afterwards. So I'm gonna put it snugly in between here. I'm also packing a couple of bracelets and necklaces and cute little earrings just for something fun, as well as my curling iron. I have a medicine pouch, which I put my vitamins and other medications that I need. And I'm also gonna pack a pouch with adapters that I will need in Europe, as well as different chargers that I need. In terms of liquids, you need them to be in a see-through pouch. For 10 days, the most important thing for me is that I have deodorant, moisturizers, and I can't be guaranteed that hotels in Europe have conditioner, and my hair is curly and requires special conditioner. So I have 2 bottles full of the conditioner that I use. You have to ensure that none of your bottles are bigger than 100 milliliters, okay? That's really important. And then I have a little makeup case where I put a travel razor. I'm gonna put some eyeliner, some eyeshadows and whatnot. And again, I'm gonna put those in my personal items as well. So you'll see there's lots of room, and I have some masks and some snacks, and of course my toothbrush in here as well. For the plane, I just have this little fanny pack with my passport, a wallet with some of my money, not all of my money, and my phone, which I could just put on me. I am also wearing a denim jacket underneath a warmer jacket because I'm not quite sure what weather I am going to get. And then I have a money belt with most of my money, where I'm also going to transfer my passport once I get there. It's the safest way in Europe to safeguard against pickpockets. Anyway, travel lightly, you won't regret it, and have a great trip.